सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 117, Shloka 57. Vidvarahaditulyatvam Makankshistvavidbhavan Sarvadhi dosha samtyagat Lokaih pujyasva devavat. Vidyaranya addressing a Madhyama Adhikari who has come to Shastra and received the teaching also, attained Jnanam also. Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya Jnanam accomplished. Still, that person is not at a Jnana Nishtha. He has not yet accomplished that the ultimate Jnana Nishthatvam or Sthira Prajnatvam. Why he is not able to become a Sthira Prajnaha? Why is not able to enjoy that Jnana Phalam? What is the reason? For that, Vidyaranya is telling, in spite of Jnanam at intellectual level, still that person is not able to drop his Kama Krodha. Still he is not able to drop his emotional imbalance. Kama Krodha, emotional imbalance. Where it takes place? At the mental level. Jnanam is there at surface level. But Kama Krodha are there at deep emotional level. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya, Bhaya, Atrupti, all continues at a deep Vasana level. When the situation triggers, he loses sight of his Atma Swarupa and he blurt out, or he or she is disturbed internally because of those doshas. Once the person is disturbed by those doshas, internal, deep, lurking, emotional weaknesses, disturbing, means still that person is giving importance to mithya manas, mithya antakaranam, mithya interactions. That is why the disturbance. What Lord Krishna said, Rasavarjam rasopyasya param drushtva nivartate. Param drushtva rasaha api nivartate. Once you have got that clarity, nischaya, these anatma problems, mind, emotions will not disturb you because you have not falsified it. Jnanam is at peripheral level. Still they are attacking you, disturbing you. But real Jnani is not disturbed by them. That is the difference. We should know this difference. Jnanam and Jnana Phalam. Jnanam is there. All fruits are there. Many fruits. I am looking at them. See, in my house there is a mango tree. So many fruits are there. And showing to everyone. But I am not enjoying that fruit. Suppose. How sweet it is. How nice it is. I have no opportunity to get that. Ido karanam. What is the use of that? Adi madri, the jnana phalam, I have to enjoy. Not to say, give lectures to others. Okay. Not to show my, you see the bookshelf, how many books I have? 4 Panchadasi books are there. 10 commentaries are there, Bhagavad Gita. No place also, that's why I kept in the putti, vellila melana. But how much jnana phalam you are enjoying at internal level? That is very important. Not your scholarship, not your library, not your CD library or anything, but how far you are enjoying that Brahma aham asmi, nothing can disturb me. Nothing can disturb me in this world. How much you are enjoying that phalam? Check yourself, Vidyaranya is asking. Because you have kept jnanam separately and you are enjoying the world, your desires. When they are fulfilled, you are enjoying. When they are not fulfilled, you are angry and you are shouting at others. And if anybody asks that paramarthikam, it is vyavaharikam, and you adjust yourself. இப்படி எல்லாம் சொல்லி ஏதோ மேனேஜ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். அதனால உள்ளக்குள்ள உனக்கு வந்து சுகமே கிடையாதப்பா. அதனால டோன்ட் கோ ஃபார் those desires. Like animals, what is the difference between other inferior animal? Varahamanna, Vidvaraha, Adi Padatha, all inferior animals, not cow, elephant. Straight away, and the pig he is comparing, the boar, pig, Varaha. Don't think he have Varaha, Varaha avataram patyedo pesirarani. He is asking why you are going to such sense pleasures, like that a pig wallowing in filthy. All the sense pleasures are like that filthy. Are you not seeing the dosha in them? Pig cannot see the dosha. Pig likes that filthy. Are you not seeing the filthy, Anityatvam, Atruptikaratvam, Bandhakatvam, Dukkha Misritatvam, filthy is there in sense pleasures. Why you are trapped by them? Why you are going towards them and suffering? Vidvarahadi Tulyatvam, equal to that. Why? Don't go like that. Ma Kangshihi, Ma Akangshihi, may you not desire for those sense pleasures like other animals. Because you are Tattvavit Bhavan. You are Bhavan, you are Tattvavit. You have studied Shastra 15 years. Tattvavit you are. Sarvadhi dosha samtyagad. Since you are a Tattvavit, may you do Tyagam. Samtyagat means Samyak Tyagam Karotu. By the way of renouncing. Samyak Tyagat means by the way of renouncing them, uprooting them. What? Sarvadhi dosha. All the doshas, all the defects. Where? Dhi, mind. In your own mind. That is Jiva Srishti. What is that? Why you are having this desire? Because first of all, why I have got this desire? Dosha bhuishta kamaha kimartham agacchati. Why it comes rise in my mind? Because அது அவர் இங்க சொல்லல, நமக்கு தெரியுமே. Because you superimpose, if I get this object, if I have relation with this person, I am happy. My life is pleasant, comfortable. If I get this object, I am happy. I superimpose the happiness in that object which is not there. I superimpose my peace, happiness, security in that object. If I possess it, if I possess that person, if I relate to that person, my life will become more comfortable, pleasant, happy. Therefore, I want. This is called Shobhanadhyasaha. This is called Shobhanadhyasa. Shobhanam adhyasa. Shobhanam anna சுகம் இல்லாத பொருளோ சுகம் இருக்கான்னு நினைக்கிறது சோபனம். அத்தியாசம். அத்தியாசம்னா சூப்பர் இம்போசிஷன். சூப்பர் இம்போசிஷன் ஆஃப் வாட்? சோபனம். Means what? An object which doesn't deserve that superimposition. அந்த அத்தியாசத்துக்கு அது தகுதி இல்லை. அதுக்கு அந்த சோபனம் பண்றதுக்கு அந்த இந்த பொருளோ இந்த சுகம் இருக்கான்னு இல்லாத இடத்துல நீங்க போய் யூ ஆர் சூப்பர் இம்போசிங். புரியுறதோ? The object doesn't have that status to give me happiness, but I am giving status. What status? You give me happiness, you have that. Really it is not there. My son, I superimpose what? My happiness. I superimpose my comfort by getting happiness in my son or daughter, where that comfort is not there, but I superimpose where it is not there. I superimpose my comfort, happiness in that object where it is not there is called Shobhanadhyasa. That means Durvichara nartham, wrong thinking. Wrong thinking. Avichara means non-thinking. Therefore, what you do now? Suvicharam karotu. Neither Durvichara, not Avichara. Avichara na no thinking. Durvichara means wrong thinking, superimposition. You are interpreting the object wrongly. Durvichara, wrong thinking. Avichara, no thinking. These two are not good for you. Therefore, make a suvichara, right thinking. How? Study Panchadashi, you start doing right thinking. இப்போ வரைக்கும் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்? either அவிச்சாரம் nor துர்விச்சாரம். Therefore, sarvadhi doshaha, because of your durvichara, you are not thinking properly, because of your shobhana dhyasa, because of your superimposition, not knowing the dhi dosha. All these are only my superimpositions. Not knowing this, you are doing, therefore renounce. If you renounce, what you will get? Devavat lokaihi pujyasva. May you be worshipped by people. If you renounce kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya, you are man too. You become divine man, walking God. People worship you, people respect you. Therefore, you have to discipline yourself. I am bound by disciplines. One commentator writes nicely, instead of bound by this kama, krodha, lobha, mada, matsarya adi, better to bound by the discipline. I am in bondage. What bondage? Discipline bondage. Discipline bondage. நான் கட்டுப்பட்டுட்டேன். எதுக்காக? அந்த கிரமசிக்ஷணத்துக்கு. டிசிப்ளின்ல கட்டுப்பட்டுட்டேன். அப்படியே I am bound by them. They are restricting me. They are confining me. My disciplines. Shama, Dama, Uparama. எங்கேயும் விடமாட்டேங்கிறது என்ன? அப்படி இருக்கணும். அப்பா நல்லது. I am bound by my disciplines. Then what will happen தெரியுமா? That disciplines which are binding me from long time, they make me free. They allow me to be free. அதுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல உதாரணம் என்னன்னா, this firewood they tie with a rope. பழசு அந்த காலத்தில் வீட்டில் எல்லாம் firewood they tie with a rope. After tying long time they keep. அப்படியே இருக்கும். அந்த ரோப் அந்த நாட் வந்து ரொம்ப நாட்டியாக ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ராங்காக இருக்கும். யூ கேனாட் ஓப்பன் இட். யூ கேனாட் ஓப்பன் தட் பிகாஸ் ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சு முடிச்சு போச்சு பண்ணி. அந்த முடிச்சு போட்டு ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சு. யூ கேனாட் ஓப்பன் இட். How to open? Without cutting. Without cutting you have to open. Tie another rope tightly. More tightly. புரியுறதோ? Tie another rope more tightly than previous rope. If you tie it more tightly, the previous one become loosened. Once it is loose, you can open it very easily. That's why tie it. This way in the disciplines are second rope like tie with the binding. I am bound by disciplines. Then what happens? Because of the disciplines, they remove the previous doshas. Once the doshas go away, these disciplines also velagidum. Podum, my duty is over. Now you cannot violate. That is why a person who is a jnana nishtaha, who practice all these values spontaneously, he cannot violate dharma. அதுக்கு அவருக்கு கஷ்டம். violate பண்றது கஷ்டம். அப்போ how long you have to practice values? Suppose how long? Don't say lifelong. இதெல்லாம் won't work. You have to practice values until the time when you cannot violate the values. You have to practice the values until the time you cannot violate. You have to practice. புரியுறதோ? ஆமா. தேவவது பூஜ்யஸ்வா. Otherwise what will happen? Man to you will go to animal man. Ada vidvaraha man becomes animal man. Devavadu pujyasva means man to divine man. Now you decide. You are man now. Either you want to go to divine man or animal man. People say, no Swamini, not animal man, not divine man. I want to become a spider man. Spider is also another creature. It is not animal man, creature man. You are like a creature, you are screaming, you are already creature man. You need not become another creature. Okay. Next sloka. Kamyadi dosha drishtyadhyaham kamadithyagahetavah prasiddho moksha shastreshu tananvishya sukhi bhava. Kamyadi dosha drishtyaadyaha. Kamya means object. Kama means a desire. Kamya means the desired object. Last class I said, first at the thought level, the desire arises. Thought level, janati. Janati is at thought level. Then ichhati, then desire comes. Ichhati. Later only yatate, he gets. Then suffer later. So janati, ichhati, yatati, kamyadina, because of the desired objects. What is the upaya? Now he is giving the tat tyaga upaya. In this sloka 58, how to drop these kama krodha, which are dosha bhuishtam. How to drop? I will give you the technique. Vidyaranya says, upaya is there. How? Dosha drishtya is the best remedy. Dosha darshanam. Lord Krishna also tells in Bhagavad Gita, Indriyartheshu vairagyam and dosha darshanam also he says. See that object. Wherever you have shobhanadhyasa, superimposition, analyze that object. It is mixed with dosha. Dukkha misritam it is. And it gives lot of dissatisfaction, atrupti. And it makes you slave, addicted to that object. So these three doshas, you know, all of you. Apart from these doshas, some more doshas are there. The more you enjoy those things, you become more weaker and weaker. The more you eat, your stomach will stop its function. The more you provide rasagulla, gulab jam, paneer masala, எல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டு இருக்கேன்னா அந்த வயிறு எத்தனை நாள் வேலை பண்ணும்? ஒரு நாள் ஸ்ட்ரைக் பண்ணிடும். அப்படியே போதும், நீங்கள் போட்டு வந்து மிஷின் இது ஸ்டாப் பண்ண, அதனால இன்டைஜஷன் வந்துடும், ஏதோ ப்ராப்ளம், ஸ்டமக் அப்செட் வரும். Therefore, after some time, every sense pleasure, you cannot enjoy it. That's what Nachiketa said to Yamadharmaraja. How one can enjoy, even sense objects are available, that person will be tired of enjoying. That dosha is there. It is their limitation. சொன்னானு புரியாது. என்ன 2 லட்டு சாப்பிடு, 3 4 your favorite laddu, whatever laddu variety you take it. Okay, now one person like one laddu. Maladu, some people like Tirupati laddu, some people like another type of laddu, whatever may be laddu, your favorite laddu. 2, okay, one more, okay, 3, one more, ammo kashtam, another, okay, good. 4, what about 5? Ode poiduve nanana, your favorite dane saapidalame. What happened to that laddu? Same, you apply to all sense pleasures. You apply to all sense pleasures. Even your favorite song, so and so singer, I am really mad of her music, mad of her voice. Listen, how much time you can listen? How much time you can listen? You cannot. You cannot see continuously, you cannot hear continuously, you cannot eat continuously. You cannot enjoy anything continuously. They have their own limitation. This is called dosha drishti. Anityatvam. Anityatvam. This is one dosha. Arkshanikam anartham. Anityatvam arkshanikam. May you remember this dosha. Kshanikatvam tejo hanihi. Another dosha. Tejo hanihi means your tejas will come down. Your energy level come down. If you eat too much, your stomach upset. If you hear too much, ears upset. If you look at the TV watching serial, eyes upset. Your tejas in every sense organ will become feebler and feebler. Tejo hanihi, kshanikatvam tejo hanihi. Similarly, bandhakatvam, it binds you. After some time, you cannot live without that. You cannot live without that. Your life will become miserable. Bandhakatvam. It binds you. These 3 doshas are there. Kshanikatvam, tejo heenatvam, tejo hanihi, bandhakatvam. These are the doshas. Adi padat. Okay, doshas. நம்ம 3 ரெடியா இருக்கு ஆல்ரெடி. இந்த 3 கூட சேர்த்து போட்டுக்கோங்க. காமாதி தியாக ஹேதவஹ. ஒன் மோர் கூட ஆட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. மித்யாத்வம் ஃபைனல். அனித்யத்வம், மித்யாத்வம். அதான் ஃபைனல் டார்கெட். ஃபைனல் ஹேத்து டு டெஸ்ட்ராய் தி காமா இஸ் மித்யாத்வம். ஃபைனல் ரிசார்ட். ரிசார்ட்னா ஏதோ ரிசார்ட்னு நினைச்சுக்காது. ரிசார்ட்னா வெப்பன். As you can use it as a weapon, mithyatva nischaya. I am desiring this object or this person relation. What is this object? What is its nature? It is only a matter. It is a matter. Why I am desiring this matter? It is inert, jadam. I am superimposing that happiness in that object. Really, is it real, that object? That person is real? It is mithya, matter, maya. Why I am doing this? That's called mithyatva nischaya. Anityatvam, kshanikatvam, this bandhakatvam, tejohanihi are all okay, fine. But final, last weapon, atom bomb, madre. Okay. Last missile, Brahmastram. Brahmastram use பண்ணிட்டான்னு அவ்வளவுதான். Okay. What Ravana used, Brahmastram. Similarly, here, mithyatvam is the best hetu. Kamadi tyaga hetavaha. All these are the causes, reasons, help us to remove the kama. Once you do mithyatvam, kama, krodha, run away. Therefore, how do you know all this? Prasiddhaha moksha shastreshu. These are all very popular in the scriptural literature. Moksha shastreshu means scriptures which are talking about liberation. Moksha shastra. Scriptures which are talking about liberation. That Shastra, it is popular, this type of Anityatva Nischyaha, Mithyatva Nischyaha, Doshatraya Nischyaha. All these are said, well known for everyone. Well known, but how much implementing? Well known. That's why looking at its dosha, we can easily drop. We have to remember all the time. Doshame pathinde irukkanum. Proof reading annadi inga use panna useful. Okay, proof reading mind. I am very critical person anna. Idhula critical irundha useful ah irukum. Theva illada edathila poi critical irundha adu useless. Here you must be trespassers will be prosecuted. No admission without permission, like that. Metal detector. Mental detector. Okay, I told you, mental detector. I told which class, I don't know. Okay. Mental detector. They are all keeping metal detectors outside. Vedanta Vidyarthi should keep what? Mental detector. My mind has to check who are all coming and going. Kama, desires. Prasiddha Shastra, Moksha Shastra Hetuhu, Tan Anvishya Sukhi Bhava. May you apply those methods, techniques which are given in the Shastra. Tan Anvishya. Anvishya, you go to the teacher, she will teach you. Tan Anvishya and Anveshanam Krutva. Anveshanam means a search. How to remove this Shobhanadhyasa. How to come out of this Shobhanadhyasa. Anvishya. Slowly, if varliyo unnur what experience panna appoye therinjidum. Proportional experience, really speaking, it gives a light of wisdom. Light of wisdom. Every experience show the torchlight. Torchlight anna koncham arivi varum. Every experience is a light of wisdom. You come to know. Pariksha lokan karmachitan brahmano nirveda mayat. Okay, paatittiva, adi vaangittiva anna. Learn a lesson. Lord Krishna also said in many places in Bhagavad Gita, Kama yesha krodha yesha rajoguna samudbhavaha maha ashanaha maha papma vidhi enam iha vairinam anu sollittar. Nariya edathila sollittar. Next shloka. Tyajyatameva kamadim Tyajyatameva kamadihi kamadihi manorajyetu kashatihi asesha dosha bijatvat shatir bhagavateritam. Kamadihi tyajyatam eva. Now, a akshepa here. A akshepa by a objection by a person, a student or any sadhaka. Let me drop enjoying the external pleasures physically or verbally, sensually, let me drop. Let me there at mental level. Why can't I entertain them at mental level? Manorajye, fantasizing, imagining. Why can't I enjoy that way? Why you want to take that happiness also? நான் மனசில் என்ஜாய் பண்ணுறேன்ப்பா, ரசகுல்லா இப்படி இருக்கும், ரசகுல்லா இப்படி இருக்கும், ஸ்வீட் நன்னா இருக்கும், லைக் தட். இந்த மியூசிக் ரொம்ப நன்னா இருக்கு, மனசில் என்ஜாய் பண்ணலாமே. அந்த ப்ளஷர் இப்படி இருக்கும், அந்த ப்ளஷர் இப்படி இருக்கும், அது இருந்தால் எப்படி இருக்குமோ அது மனசில் நான் நினச்சிக்கலாமே. மனோராஜ்யே is asking, மனோராஜ்யேது காக்ஷதிஹி, what is the harm? What is the damage? Kshatihi enna damage? Chan dhatu. Kshatihi, what is the damage? What is harmful? I am not going to experience externally. I am not going to get anything externally. I am not going to have contact physically. But let me enjoy mentally. If that person association is there, how it is so nice. If I buy that object, if I enjoy, how is it? Let me enjoy. Daydreaming. Let me have. உனக்கு என்ன நஷ்டம் கேட்கிறார். அந்த ஆக்ஷேபா இஸ் தட். உனக்கு என்ன கஷ்டம்? நான் மனசில் என்ஜாய் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். ஐ எம் நாட் கோயிங் டு ஸ்பெண்ட் மணி. ஐ எம் நாட் கோயிங் டு டிஸ்டர்ப் எனிபடி. ஐ எம் என்ஜாயிங் மை செல்ஃப். For that Vidyaranya answer in the second line. What he is telling Akshepa, Kamadihi Manorajyetu Kakshatihi Mano Tyajyatameva Kamadihi. Let me drop all desires. Kamadihi Tyajyatam. I will drop. I drop all of them. Manorajyetu Kakshatihi. Let them be there in the mind level. Physically I drop. Tyajyataman, I drop as you are asking. Mumukshuna Tyajyatam. He is talking about all mumukshus. Avan pathiye illa. All sadhakas, let them enjoy. Nanu adla onnu. This person is saying, all these mumukshus, sadhakas, those who are listening to Shastra, all of them stop their desires at physical level, verbal level. Sense contact level, let them stop. Let all of them enjoy at mental level. Unakku enna pochi? Let them enjoy. Tyajyatam kamadihi. But manorajyetu kakshatihi. What is the damage at mental level if I enjoy? For that answer, ashesha dosha bijatvat kshatihi bhagavata irita. There is kshatihi, there is a damage. Even if you enjoy at mental level, fantasizing, and the fancy level, imagination, speculation level also, daydreaming level also, யாருக்கு தெரிய போறது? நான் திங்க் பண்ண யாருக்கு தெரிய போறது? யாருக்கு நஷ்டம் இல்லையே, யாருக்கு தெரியறது இல்லையே. People think like that. Because I am thinking at mental level, nobody knows what am I thinking. Is it not? No problem. If you say like that, Kshatihi asti. Damage is there. It is harmful. Even fantasy also harmful. Even mental level also harmful. That is why it is easy to drop at physical level, verbal level, enjoying. Some extent is maximum. Many people cannot do that also. Even some few people drop at physical level, the mental level, very tough. Unless you have mithyatma nischayam, you cannot drop at mental level. So what? Let it be there. Bijaha. That is the foundation. Actually, at thought level only, later it comes at physical level, at verbal level. Every desire comes out. That is the foundation. What? Manorajyam, fantasy, mentally enjoying the pleasures, is the cause for the external wanting. They are the cause. Thought level only comes as physical level, action level. Watch your thoughts, they become your words. Watch your words, they become your actions. Watch your actions, they become your habits. Watch your habits, they become your character. Watch your character, it becomes your destiny. Theriyado unakku gnapakam illaya na kekrar. Bijatvat, because it is a seed. Mental fantasy or speculation, imagination, enjoying the pleasures at mental level is the cause, is the foundation. Bijatvat, asesha dosha bija, not one dosha. All doshasukku karanam idudha. Ella manasulundane varanum. First it starts at mental level. Therefore you have to stop at mental level also. Enge nindi varudho ange poi ange cut pannanum. Uprooting. This is called uprooting. You cut the tree, the branch, next day you see konjam or mala vanda udane thulu varudhu. Illaya? Adhe madri mental thought level it is there. If you stop physically, verbally enjoying contact level, if you stop, is called cutting the tree at the outer level, on the top portion. You have not uprooted. Again that it sprouts, comes, stem comes, a lot of leaves comes. Adu madri desires come. What you have to do? Uproot. Remove the root itself. Ada manorajyam is the root. அந்த மனோராஜ்யம் கூட ஸ்டாப் பண்ணணும். அப்படி என்ன சுவாமி லைஃப்ல சப்புன்னு இருக்கேன்னா இது வேற என்ன பண்றது? ஓகே சப்புன்னு இருக்குன்னா போய் போ. Are you happy there? See that is why however much you study Shastra, unless you practically see the defects, even you listen from Shastra, you can never accept it. You have to see the people how they are suffering, how they have gone for that, how they are suffering. Everyone you check, and one or two your experiences in the life also. சின்ன பார்த்துட்டு நீங்க கத்துக்கலாம். எல்லாம் லைஃப் எல்லாம் அடி வாங்க வேண்டிய தேவை இல்லையோ. லைஃப் லாங் என்ன இருக்கு மிச்சம்? லைஃப்ல மிச்சம் என்ன இருக்கு? வாட் லைஃப்? It is a drudgery, it is a struggle life, Therefore, that person can never live happily. Okay? Asesha dosha bijatvat. Manorajyameva asesha dosha. Asesha anna endless. Endless. Infinite defects are there. And the infinite defects ki dosham is manorajyam da. Ingirindi da ellame varudhu. Therefore, Bhagavata irita. Lord Krishna says, in 16th chapter, 2nd chapter, he is going to quote that. Trividham narakasyedam dwaram nashana matmanaha. 16th chapter, 21st shloka. Kama krodhas tadha lobhaha tasmad etatrayam tyajet. Narakasya idam dwaram. Kama krodha lobha, these three are the entrance gate of what? Not Swarga, Naraka. They will take you to Naraka. Bhagavata irita. Many places Bhagavan tells. Kama yesha krodha yeshaha anchulli dushpurena analena cha ulbena avruto garbhaha. That sloka also. All you can note down. Wherever kama krodha, Bhagavan has mentioned, described how they are harmful. Just quote. Go home and write down. Note down. Read every day. அதே பெரிய அபியாசம். அது எங்கெங்க கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? இண்டெக்ஸுக்கு போகணும். காம் இது வந்ததெல்லாம் பார்க்கணும். What are those slokas? Now Vidyaranya is quoting 2 slokas. Dhyayato vishayan pumsah sangasteshu pajayate sangat sanjayate kamaha कामात् क्रोधोऽभिजायते क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः स्मृतिर्भ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशः बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति. These slokas two together we have to read. In first sloka kama comes, second sloka krodha comes. பிரிக்க கூடாது, அவங்களுக்கு கோபம் வந்துடும். Okay, kama and krodha, twins they are twins. Now Lord Krishna, Irita, Lord Krishna said, Bhagavata Irita, their downfall, the ladder, how the person spiritually fall, Lord Krishna presented in this Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 62nd shloka. How a person develops attachment, how he go for that? Simple, because of dhyanam. First starting point where? Dhyanam. Meditation. Meditation of what? House, dhyanam. Car, dhyanam. Whatever you want, suppose. One person, one desire. Unaccomplished, unfulfilled desires are there. Many desires are there. Many of them are unfulfilled. To fulfill, I desire for them. Dhyayataha. I think years together. எத்தனாலும் எனக்கு ரொம்ப நாளாக யோசிச்சுட்டு இப்போ வந்தது. I was thinking from long time. அந்த லாங்காக சொல்லுவா. என்னோட கனவு, அந்த கனவு தான் மனோராஜ்யம். என்னோட கனவு ரொம்ப நாளுக்கு அப்புறம் என்னோட கனவு இன்னைக்கு தான் ஃபுல்ஃபில் ஆயிடுத்து. படு மனமே. கார் வாங்கியாச்சு இல்ல, அந்த மெயின்டைன் பண்றது கஷ்டம் தான். புது கார் வந்து காஸ்ட்லியஸ்ட் கார்னா, காஸ்ட்லியஸ்ட் எக்ஸ்பெண்டிச்சர் ஆல்சோ காஸ்ட்லியஸ்ட், யுவர் பெயின் ஆல்சோ காஸ்ட்லியஸ்ட். தட் மீன்ஸ் யூ ஹேவ் டு பே மோர் டு டாக்டர் அர்த்தம். காஸ்ட்லியஸ்ட். தியாயதः. வாட் தியாயதः? நாட் பகவான், நாட் பகவான். பகவான் தியானம் பண்ணா மோட்சம் வந்துடுமே சீக்கிரம். விஷயான், ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ், சென்ஸ் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ். தியாயதோ விஷயான். பும்சஹ. நம்ம மத்திய அதிகாரி, மந்த அதிகாரிக்கு ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை, அவனுக்கு புரியவே இல்லை சாஸ்திரம், நோ ப்ராப்ளம். உத்தம அதிகாரி ஹஸ் ஆல்ரெடி அண்டர்ஸ்டுட் அண்ட் கான். ஓகே, மத்தியம் அதிகாரிஸ் ஆர் மோர். So pumsaha, the purushaha, the person. Then what happens? First step, it is called dhyanam, mental thinking about that dhyanam. Sangaha teshu upajayate. Next step. Because of that continuous dhyanam upon that object, shobhanadhyasa. அது ரொம்ப நல்லது அந்த வேர்டு, சோபனாத்யாச. சோபனமா இருக்கு அத்தியாசமே. அப்பா எப்படிப்பட்ட அத்தியாசம் பாருங்க. Durvichara, avichara. Because of this wrong expectation, every expectation for that matter, whatever expectation you have, either legitimate or illegitimate, that expectation will bring definitely sometimes appointment, sometimes disappointment. Disappointment, நம்ம தனியே பறிக்க மாட்டோம். Disappointment. I am so disappointed. Why? I expected this much. I am so disappointed. Salary, disappointed. Okay, anything, disappointment. So that disappointment comes because of your expectation. Your disappointment, how much disappointment? As much expectation, so much disappointment. proportional to your expectation. Your disappointment is this much, is proportionally equal to your expectation. Therefore what? If your expectation is less, your disappointment is less. No expectation, no disappointment. Expectation வேண்டாம். வந்தா வரட்டும், வரலன்னு வராமல் இருக்கட்டும். எது வருமோ அது வரும். I'll do my best, I leave the rest. I do my best, I leave the rest. I don't want anything. My actions are all going for the sake of others, for the sake of samashti, for the family members, for the society, for others. I have no any desire for my sake, for my fulfillment, for others' fulfillment. If I am in the samashti prarabdha, whatever it has to go, this sharira prarabdha has to go, let it go. But I have no any expectation. அப்படி இருக்கணும். இப்படி இல்லைன்னா ஆகும் சங்கஹா தேஷு உபஜாயத்து. There is a lot of attachment develops. சங்காத் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப். தேர்ட் ஸ்டெப் கீழே வந்துட்டு இருக்காரு. யாரு? நம்ம ஹீரோ மத்தியம அதிகாரி. ஆல் த வே வெண்ட் அப் அப். ஒன்னு பகவத்கீதா, முண்டகோபனிஷத்து, கேனோபனிஷத், தைத்திரியோபனிஷத். ஒரு ஒரு உபனிஷத்துக்கு ஒரு ஒரு ஸ்டெப் ஏறி ஏறி போனார். மேல போய் உட்கார்ந்தேங்க. அங்கே உட்கார்ந்து அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி அன்னாரு. அந்த உடனே ஏதோ ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் கண்ணுல படுத்து பார்த்தா I want. தியானம். சங்கஹா attachment. செகண்ட் ஸ்டெப்புக்கு வந்துட்டார். சங்கஹா தேஷு உபஜாயத்தே. attachment has developed. சங்காஸ்த் சஞ்சாயத்தே காமஹா. once you have developed sangha, association with that, desire comes. Because you are doing dhyanam, you are continuously associated with that, then you start I want. Janati ichhati. Ipo enna? Yatati. Kamaha, desire. Then what? Not fulfilled. Obstruction. First step dhyanam, second step sangaha, then kama. Where that kama desire has come, there is obstruction, not fulfilled. Krodhaha abhijayate. Fourth step. நாலாவது விழுந்துட்டார்னு சொல்லணும், இறங்கிட்டார்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. That is why Bhagavan is avatara. Avatarati means Bhagavan is coming. Willfully come, Bhagavan is coming down. When we come here, we never say coming down. We are falling. We are falling. விடுறது கீழே, அவ்வளோதான். நாட் இறங்கிறது, விடுறது என்ன? ஹெல்ப்லெஸ்லி என்ன அர்த்தம்? Helpless. See, by catching both the sides and step by step you are coming down, is coming down. I told you one example. Once a person just fell in the well. விழுந்துட்டான். Another person going down towards the water to protect him. Both of them are in water. But both of them in the water, not same way. One person helplessly fallen, fell in the well. Another person, step by step, he got into the water to protect him. Adu vere, idu vere. Illiyo? That is why Gnani is in the world, it will not touch him. Gnani is also in the world, Nishtaha, Gnana Nishtaha, he is also in the world. But that samsara water will not disturb him. Ajnani yaar vilindutano because of this dhyanam, sangaha, kama, krodha, avan vilinduta. Krodhat bhavati sammohaha, deluded. Jnana nishtaha, never be deluded, never be carried away by them. But this madhyamadhikari, the one who has not accomplished, he has trapped by them, delusion also take place. Now how many steps over? 5th step vanditar. Dhyayato Vishayan Pumsaha Sangaha Teshu Upajayate Sangat Sanjayate Kamaha Kamatanna unfulfilled Kamat Krodhaha Abhijayate Kropam Vandadi Varatamena Hare Kopam Vanda Patramella wood Indrika Mel flying Kappu Sasar are flying, all pillows are flying, things are all flying in the house. Krodhat bhavati sammohaha, deluded. He has lost his discrimination power. He has lost his control on his speech. He has lost his control on his actions, physical actions, verbal words. He has lost his control. Sammohat smriti vibhramaha. Smriti means mahavakya vismaranam. Smriti enna oru shastra vakyam gnapakattiki varalai enardham. Smriti vibhramaha means no shastric teaching is available in his intellect to rescue. Arda. Smriti vibhramaha means what? Shastric teaching is not available for him to rescue him from that fall. Smriti Brahmshat Buddhinashaha. Buddhinashat Pranashyati. Total fall. Total fall. He is not able to see how much depth he has gone also, he cannot see up. Because he is not in a position to see up also. Wounds. Lot of wounds. If you go deep, suddenly, if you go willfully, no wounds. If you fall without your knowledge, lot of wounds. Up when you are fainted. You are fainted. In faint condition, enna paaka mudiyum? Yaar irka pakkathila akka pakkam theriyuma? Adhe madrida. In the kama, desires, once you are involved in that, you go for that. Once it is obstructed, when you are angry and when you are missing that and you are so depressed, you are so oppressed, suppressed, and you are thinking slowly, it becomes stultified. You do not know what you are thinking, what you are doing, what you are, where you are, you do not know, and you take wrong decisions and you continue in suffering. And you give problems to your family members also, and you justify what you are doing is right, and you shout at all others, and no one can come and control you, and you are not under the control of anyone, and who are depending upon you, either children or husband or wife, they cannot stand by you because they run away from you, because they are also human beings. Because of Bruddhinashaha Pranasyati. What is the reason? Manorajyam. Therefore, Manorajyam, speculation, fantasy, more dangerous. Midhyacharasya utyate. Krishna Paramatma. Indriyarthan vimudhatma midhyacharasya utyate. Who is fantasizing mentally, that person is called Mithyacharaha, hypocrite. He is called hypocrite. Split personality. More he or she is suffering. Internal pain, tremendous pain one has to undergo. You have to pay the price. Just simple fantasy. What is there? What is there? That flame, that flickering flame will become a conflagration. Once it becomes a conflagration, it is beyond your control. No fire engine can come and serve. Fire engine to come in the traffic late ಆಯಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಶಮದಮ ಉಪರಮತಿ ದೀಕ್ಷಾ ಒನ್ನುಮ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಮ್ because so many obstructions are there. Even horn போட்டுட்டே டங்க பண்ண இங்க இடமே இல்லையே வரத்துக்கு. Because of so many desires, so many obstructions, you are all, there are no one to protect this conflagration fire. Small, the fire accidents all catch like that only, A small spark, electrical, whole thing because electrocuted. How much electrocuted, how much it comes beginning? spark. It's just how one spark can destroy the whole building. Imagine, one spark, how can it destroy? One spark becomes many sparks. The many sparks have got a capacity to destroy the whole building. How many accidents we are seeing? Similarly, each thought is like a spark. Each thought is like a spark. Many thoughts, many sparks become conflagration. Once it becomes conflagration, more desires, this is the ladder, you come down, fall. Then no rescue, no support for you. No one can come, and Shastra cannot do anything, Guru cannot do anything. Another commentators rise, Shankaracharya says, at that time the person even criticized the Guru. Kupyati. Guru kupyati anna. Guru meleye kopam mundadu. Even matam tadayati. Beats the mother. Criticize the Guru. Ella pannuva and the time la. Enna pannakoodadadella pannuva. Yen and the spark da manorajyam. That's what Vidyaranya says. Nip in the bud. This is all we are, West psychology we are studying here. Nowhere it is available. We should not take it as granted we have all crossed all these things. Not so easy. Fantasy level, it's so tough. Now you see, this is the subject where it is available. This is the psychology. Mental level, one has to be careful. That is the bija. That is the root cause. Once it becomes a big mahavriksha, very difficult to cut it. Therefore, nip in the bud. More in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.